put feature protects against interest rate risk when interest rates are going up, and the call protection feature protects against call risk when interest rates are going down. Now, what a put feature means is that if interest rates go up, you can put the bond back to the issuer, get your entire principal back, so that you then have your principal and you can go out and buy new bonds that pay that higher interest rate. So my example is somebody has $1 million worth of bonds. Interest rates are 3%, and they have 3% bonds, meaning they're living on $30,000 a year from that $1 million of bonds. Now, interest rate risk is what? If interest rates go up to 5%, the interest rate risk is that that bondholder's portfolio is going to go down in value so that they cannot go out in the marketplace, sell those bonds, and get their $1 million back. But if they have the put feature, then they can put that $1 million worth of bonds back to the issuer, get their entire $1 million back, and then go out in the marketplace and buy those higher interest bonds where they can now live on $50,000 a year. Then we have the call protection. And this one's pretty obvious. If you are living on that 5% bond with $1 million, that'd be $50,000, and interest rates go down, you might be afraid that the bond issue will get called. In that case, you would want call protection because you'd much rather live on $50,000 a year in retirement than $30,000, which is what would happen if you didn't have the call protection. And then finally, convertible, which is just like the convertible preferred stock that we saw, where you can convert the bonds to common stock if the underlying common stock take off. And so I kind of think of convertible bonds or convertible preferred stock as have your cake and eat it too. So if the common stock does really increase in value, then you get that profit. If the common stock does not increase in value, then at the very least, you're going to get the interest or the stated dividend that the bond or the preferred stock would create.